These riders were having a little too much fun on the road, pushing their bikes and taking some risky turns. But out of nowhere, a car suddenly pulled out right in front of them.
Shit.
One risky turn can end your ride in seconds. Stay slow, stay in control.
मैं ठीक हूँ कुछ नहीं हुआ कोई बात नहीं मैं ठीक हूँ
On the highway, the rider tried to pull off a wheelie, but in the very next second, he lost control.
Alright, thank you. Dude, I just looped it.
The rider was speeding along a dirt road. Suddenly, his tire dropped into a small hole, and in a split second, he lost control and went down.
Oh my god.
Even a small hole on the road can take you down. Slow down and stay alert. They were riding together as a group when suddenly one rider crashed badly in front of his friend. During group rides, always keep a safe distance. One sudden crash ahead can leave you no time to react. I'm not sure if something happened between them on the road, but as the biker slowly turned in front, a car suddenly hit him from behind.
Oh, dude! What the serious? You serious? What the fuck, dude? What the fuck? Dude.
Before anyone could react, the driver sped away. They were cruising when his friend hit a small turn, but the loose sand changed everything.
You okay?
Oh, fuck!
During the group ride, his friends pulled ahead, but as he reached the turn, something went seriously wrong.
Oh, God! È successo? È successo? È successo? È successo? È successo? È successo? Successo? È successo?
Sì, ma tranquilli. Sì, è stata tutta